Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix crashing and launching issues. This is part 6. Make sure you check all my other videos on how you can fix crashing in Forza Horizon 5. Is I'm just creating other parts, other videos, because I found other ways to fix crashing. Now obviously this problem is not, you don't have this problem just because of a single issue. Probably there's multiple reasons why this game is not working, and I strongly believe that you can fix this is probably because of you. I mean, I don't think it's really because for me it worked. I know for other people who worked as well the game. I don't think there's a bug that is causing the game to crash. Now, obviously, I can't guarantee you that. Probably I'm wrong, but you know, I think it's gonna work if you just try just some of the methods to fix this. First, guys, first method, and I'll just share you this two methods. First, make sure you always ensure that you have the latest updates, because that's the primary reason why it's not working. I believe, at least from my own experience, I realized there is just usually not most of the time, but usually it's because of you don't have the latest update. So make sure you click on optional updates and here driver updates. Maybe there's an update here that is related to drivers and your GPU and your CPU. You can also go to GeForce Experience and from here install the latest drivers that you need to run any game pretty much. So click on check for updates. Here make sure you check a game ready driver and install the latest driver, as well as you can also go to config. Maybe there's a software that is interfering with the game and causing this problem. So go to advanced services and here click on hide all Microsoft service, and maybe there is an program here that is causing, it's interfering with the game. So make sure you click on disable all, click on apply and OK. And now if you want to re-enable them, just go back and click on hide and then enable all if you have any problems with that, but yeah, just make sure then you restart your computer and it should work. The game should work just fine. So I really hope, guys, this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.